I say we climb to that top of the mountain.
Which one?
That top of the mountain.
You can't go off-road.
Well, I walk with my legs.
Lake City, I always see the signs for it, but like where actually is it?
I don't know.
I think it doesn't
I've never
exist.
driven.
It's a conspiracy.
Josh, do you have a phone charger?
Yeah.
I'll
know if the car starts sliding through the mud and it's gonna slide off a cliff or something like that. So wait a second, Lainey. Oh.
Thanks, friend.
So it should be charging now.
All day.
Devin! Devin! Devin!
Why are we filming this?
We are. Really got pee.
Me too.
The entire time I needed to.
That guy's just now getting up here.
Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Hey,
Look how low those are.
Yeah. Oh. Woo! How's that work?
How many steps
Why
did
does
you
it
get?
smell like butthole in here?
You just got in? Oh man, we have to be. We're behind them. Knew I was gonna do that.
Sorry.
What does it?
It looks like the moon. The moon.
Hey, Devin.
Ready for your head to hit your steering wheel though? You're laughing, going back and forth.
And down
God,
we
I'm
go.
gonna throw up.
This part looks like the moon.
That looks like I would say if it was
Mars,
maybe
maybe.
Mars. I mean, I've never been there, but
Just ask Matt Damon.
yeah, we rescued him from there.
From
Again.
Mars?
Yeah,
Yeah, again.
again.
Yes, bitch.
We always get stranded everywhere.
He's trying to
But I
worry.
love Matt Damon.
In the
so
United
I'm okay.
States.
He's a national treasure.
Is this guy from Iowa?
How did they get up here from Iowa?
They drove.
My water bottle's in the back.
Just got passed by a grocery getter.
Is that an ascent?
No. It's a cross track.
No, it's a Forester. No, it's an Outback.
It's a cross track.
It's an Outback.
How do you not tell that it's a cross? Is it a cross track?
Oh.
Yeah, it's a cross track. The ass is not big enough to be.
Park the car all the way up at the top of the fucking.
Oh, because they came on this side. This side's a lot easier.
Alright. Oh, there's people here that really ought to pee.
Just go pee over there.
You can't borrow my camera.
You need to take a video of yourself peeing?
No.
No, Devin, don't be stupid.
Shut up, Devin. That's my thing.
He did take a picture of me.
Of me peeing? Well, that was unsatisfying. I can see of people in Polaris Razors.
That's true.
So I think this goes to Ice Lakes.
This road?
Yeah.
What?
Really?
No, it doesn't.
Not Ice Lakes.
Colin?
No. No, it goes to some lake.
Lake City?
Lake City. There you go.
No, because Ice Lakes.
I have no idea.
I didn't even know where we are.
I said
right
Lake
now.
City.
You said Ice Lakes.
This is dark. It's not even a road. This is like a high-speed rally course.
Wow.
Everybody's just doing really much of this shit.
Oh, mountain sheep! Mountain sheep!
Wow!
Ah! Look at him run!
So here we have a traffic jam with the mountain sheep. Look at him
Wow,
run.
look at that thing's balls. Holy shit.
What?
Look at those shapes, bones.
I'm serious. They're fucking huge.
That's
Really nothing. You guys getting some of the heat back there?
Yeah, not with the windows down, but
oh, sorry. I was trying to.
it's okay. You're filming the sheep's balls.
Dude, it was surprising. It took me off guard. Those sheep are not large creatures, but apparently they pack a punch.
jelly.
I know where we are. Oh my god, where are we?
Well,
I can't, is it, Yankee?
jump!
Goddamn,
Out of the way!
goddamn marmot.
Fucking marmots.
Holy shit! He just was standing.
He just looked straight at me
I was
like-
expecting you to
He's like,
stop.
what are you gonna do?
I thought it was a rock!
With legs.
Go.
Oh, presumably.
Because I've
Oh my
never-
God, there's a mine right there. Let's go.
No, Devin, you don't
There's
go
a
there.
mine right there, but I don't think this road goes to that.
Where can we go?
There's a big pile of rubbish.
In a cave. Let's go.
Scenic overlook.
Bob.
You stalled the car.
Oh, you're supposed to go down the steps.
Oh, there's steps.
Oh.
Oh, let's go down the steps.
Should we go down the steps?
Let's go down.
No, we don't want to go down the steps. I don't want to.
Okay.
I don't want to go down the
Go.
steps.
We won't go down.
Just
the
go.
There's actual stairs.
Yes.
Like how far
No,
is it?
just go.
Let's go look. Let me look.
Oh
I'll tell
my.
you this.
Go look.
Sweet Jesus.
Actually, it's pretty pretty.
Is it pretty?
Yeah. Come on.
Hurt. Why? Why? Why was that?
Out of shape fucks. It's hot.
It is.
Real talk.
It's
There's
hot.
steps in my car.
It's hot. It's hot and cold.
Pineapple juice.
Matterhorn?
Where does North Henderson Road go?
Hinsdale County?
I don't know where you're reading that.
Hinsdale is.
Or Henson, not Henderson.
No, Hinsdale County.
Whatever's on the other side.
I want to go to Uray. And that's northwest right now that way.
What
Which
about?
would take us to Uray. Right? I was
What?
telling it's a dead end. I mean, we can go back to where we came, but that's gross. Why don't we need
No,
the
no,
adventure?
that way.
But that takes us further away from Uray. Guess what? I'm making a decision.
Okay.
This is pretty. We can go camping.
We're gonna get fucking lost.
I know how to backtrack all the way to drive over here.
Well, I do too, but I don't want to because I want lunch.
Big bump. It's so calm.
Wait, what county is Telluride in?
That's a good question. Maybe we'll end up in Telluride.
We did not go over Black Bear. We've been going east.
I'm trying to figure out what county.
No, we're going
There's
west.
a compass.
I'm just trying to think of
That'll
what
teach me to
county.
scold Lainey again.
I'm kind of getting to be the lunchtime.
It is. It's almost dinner. Going southwest?
Maybe your compass is
Drunk compass.
Do you guys know where this connects to?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Awesome.
It turns around.
We're gonna turn around now.
So we can go through Lake City and come back around. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just go back over Engineer.
All right.
That works.
Thank you.
Cool. Thank
Thanks
you.
much.
Wait, so Lake City's a real place?
Now it's a conspiracy.
Because we're still not going there.
Yeah, stop.
We're all just hungry.
I'm getting hangry.
Which means that if we have to go all the way the fuck back over Engineer.
Oh, dude, with all the bumps and everything, we're gonna be so mad by the time we get to Uray.
Here, let me go.
Damn it! I want to do it while I drove. That's dangerous.
It's dangerous.
Making me hungry, Devin, with your stupid vape. Knock it off.
It's just mango.
I need a charger.
It's filming.
Is it,
Yes, it's blinking.
is it real?
Yes, it's going. I think it's going.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, my bones.
Oh, it's there, so.
Amateur hour.
Yeah, I gotta pull over. Alright, boys.
Oh, they're gonna be nice.
I need a funnel.
Turn signal.
Got it.
That was good.
We're bouncing around.
But the view of it.
Lainey!
Sorry. You can thank me for my professional photos later.
Sounds so good with the hatch open.
You just poppity-popped on my leg. Oh, shit.
Vivian,
Look at that view.
Wait, steer.
It's definitely peanut butter.
Devin, it's not any sip.
Using it.
I'm telling
That's
you.
recording, yeah?
Yeah. That was a big fucking drop. Big one.
Oh,
I called it.
right in the moment, that hit button.